Hello. Welcome to the channel. Happy Chinese New Year. I got many red packets. Do you want one or do you want ones? This video is going to explain to everybody the proper usage of one and ones. Let's get started. In the above example, I say I got many red packets. Tips number 1. One and ones are used for countable blue. You can only apply this when you are having an object that you can come with numbers. Tips number 2. I got many red packets. Do you want one or do you want ones? The proper use of the word one or ones is that when I only have one of the item, I should replace the item by one. However, if I have more than one items, then I should use the word ones. So the example is, I got many red packets. Do you want ones? But if I say I only got a red packet, then I have to say, do you want one? That's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.